Hello all! Today we are going to play a game of starting sound. I have got some pictures here and we are going to revise the letter sounds from A to F. Are you ready? Let's start. Here goes the first picture. What is this? It's a bear and bear starts with letter B. B sounds B. B sounds B. B, B, bear. B, B, bear. Let's see the next picture. Here comes a caterpillar. Caterpillar starts with letter C. K, K, caterpillar. K, K, caterpillar. Let's see what's next. It's an elephant. Elephant starts with letter E. E sounds E. E sounds E. Let's see what's the next picture. It's a drum. Drum starts with letter D. D sounds D. D sounds D. Let's see what's next. It's an apple. Apple starts with letter A. A sounds A. A sounds A. Let's see what's the last picture. Here comes a fish. Fish starts with letter F. F sounds F. F sounds F. Now let's quickly revise all the sounds from A to F. A sounds A. A sounds A. A, A, apple. A after B. B sounds B. B sounds B. B, B, bear. B, B, bear. B after C. C sounds K. C sounds K. K, K, caterpillar. K, K, caterpillar. C after D. D sounds D. D sounds D. D, D, drum. D, D, drum. D after E. E sounds E. E sounds E. E, elephant. E, elephant. E after F. E after F. F sounds F. F sounds F. Fish. Fish. I hope the sounds are clear. Let's say only the sounds now. A, B, K, D, E. One more time. A, B, K, D, E. A, B, K, D, E. I hope it's clear now. It's time to say bye-bye. See you in my next video.